Welcome back to another Reagan Smith training video. This one, as the title states, is how to clean your drawing and get it working a little bit quicker for you. Um, Today, we are going to look at a handful of commands, and we're going to start with the audit command. AUDIT. Once you hit enter or spacebar, it's going to prompt you to fix any errors. We want to hit Y for yes. And what this is going to do is go through, scan the drawing, try to find any errors or issues that it may find. You can hit F2 to bring up the command line and kind of review it. It's going to do 2 passes, as you can see. It's hadn't found any issues yet. So that would be step 1. And as we're building, I would suggest hitting save in between these and kind of clean and then save, clean, then save, just to keep track of your drawing file size and stuff and whatever you're trying to accomplish. The next one would be the purge command, just PURGE. That's going to open up this dialog box. I would suggest using this command toward the latter part of your design. If you drill down and click these plus signs, these are built-in blocks and layers styles, line types that are built into the template that you may need during your design process. So I would suggest running this one at the end, or if you're having problems, the blocks or layer, something may be causing the problem. So you can always run this command and re-import layers and blocks that you may need down the road. But all you have to do is hit purge all, and it will prompt you as you go through. You can see it's starting to take away these pluses. You can hit purge all, and it's just going to work its way through. So that would be purge, and then I would hit save again. The next one would be dash purge, and this will open up a secondary dialog where you can select here what you want to do, or down here. And so what we're looking for today is the RegApps. And basically, the RegApps is little bits and pieces of files that get attached to your CAD file and bloats the drawing, makes it run slow. It's trying to find things in the background. So if we can get rid of those, that's the best option. So enter name to purge. We just want to hit enter, as this will be the default. We really don't want to verify each name, so we're going to hit N for that. The reason doing that, you could have 2 to 2,000, and you don't really want to have to sit there and hit enter every time, and that's my suggestion. So right here we hit 19 applications deleted, so you can see that this is just little things in the background that are blowing up our CAD file size. So the goal is to keep the CAD file size small so it's quick, we can work in it and not have to wait on AutoCAD for any length of time. Another dash purge command that is a great one would be the zero length geometry. So you can see it down here. And all it's doing is looking for little bits and pieces that may be out there that it can get rid of to help, once again, get the file size small. So once we do that, we can hit save again and then run overkill. I'm in a blank drawing, so I don't have anything to select, but you just select what you want to run overkill on, be it a section of drawing or the entire drawing. Once you do that, I would suggest running this one at lunch or toward the end of the day, because this one can take a very, very long time, and it's looking for lines that are the same length on top of each other that can be duplicated, deleted, anything like that. So the whole goal of this video is to show you how to clean your drawing, make it as small as possible, and be able to maneuver that drawing as fast as possible. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or post on our YouTube channel, and I will address those comments. Thanks.